In this video, I'm going to show you how to add add-ons and coupons in Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here from your dashboard, you want to go to appointment types here on the left. And then from here, you first want to click on add-ons to actually add add-ons. So click on create add-on top right. And of course, you can go ahead and put on a foot message. So I'm going to just type in sample over here. And of course, you can add additional prices, additional durations, etc. over here, okay? And of course, you can add access, client and admin, or admin only. And then you can make it available for, of course, either all of these, of course, types or just some of them, okay? I'm going to enable these four types like this, and I'm going to click on create. There we go. Here, I forgot the price, of course, 10 minutes, $10, and I'm going to click on create, okay? So that's basically how you add add-ons. Now, of course, if you want to add coupons, click on the coupons over here on the left, and then you can click on new coupon for appointments top right. And from here, you have to basically give a coupon code. So I'm going to name this one 20 off, and I'm going to do a discount. It's going to be a 20% discount. You could do a dollar fixed price as well. Then here you can select how it can be used. So you could do each customer can use this once, or unlimited, or total number of uses. I'm going to leave it as for each and every single person can do it once. And then this code applies to any appointment type, and the expiration, I'm going to make it the 30th of June. Now, whenever you do this, click on save coupon, and that's how to add add-ons and coupons inside Acuity scheduling. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.